welcome to my channel. I'm on the lodge again this morning. It's Monday the 7th of October and I'm just going to do some macro photography this morning. I've seen one or two items that I had an earlier walk around, so got one or two items I'm going to see if I can get. So yeah, we'll catch up with you when I go to do the first one. Right, okay, we're just walking along to the first one, which I spotted here earlier on my favourite holly bush. Of course, that was probably an hour ago. And can I find him again? No, I can't. Oh, that's a nuisance, isn't it? Put that down there. Stay there. We'll just have a wander along this holly bush. See if I can find him. I don't know if I will or not. He was here somewhere. Perhaps it was further this way. I keep kicking the tripod, sorry about that. He seems to have disappeared. Oh, if I walk past him, I walk past him. He was there, but he's gone. Oh, let me see what I'm talking about. He was there. Spiders were there. Perhaps I can entice them to come out. Gotta, excuse me, go up there a minute. I've gotta. Spread my tripod legs a little bit more. I'll be back. Go down here and get my camera, which I left down here. Got it. So yes, well, you can actually see my setup this morning. I actually brought the tripod with me, which is quite surprising. So yeah, now let me pull a leg out or two, maybe three. There we go, that's better. But where is my little stay? It's wobbly. Stay. Where is my little spider? I can't see him. He's got to be here somewhere. We will look for the one that is the trigger. But which one is it? There's a little tiny one. It's got to be under one of these leaves somewhere. And I can't see him. Come on, spider, where are you? There's a snail under there. Oh, that's a nuisance. Can't find him. He's gone. Which is a shame, because he was rather a nice fat one. So he's got to be hiding here somewhere. Oh yeah. Let's oh no, it's just starting to rain. Just maybe want. Okay. Right, so as we can't find the spider, we'll go on to my second site that I was going to. I'm just going to drop it down into there a little bit, that's better. So right, let's walk on in a minute. Let's got me. Right, so now that should stay with me. It's very awkward of carrying two tripods. That is not comfortable at all. Put you back down. Sorry about that. You're going all over the place. Right, that's better. That's a lot better. I dropped the tripod. Do you want to see where I'm going instead of looking at my ugly mush? Let's turn you around. There we go. Now you can have a look at our path, as usual. Oops. Which, well, it's a nice path. Right, I'm going to switch you off here, turn you back on. Right, I've just took this picture of the fungi, which I'll show you, but it's a bit of a yeah, to get to. I should back you off like this, turn you around. And by the way, it is raining now, so can we see where I am? Oh yes, there I am. So I'm going to come right back here, and you can see the camera sitting there and the tripod the way it's leaning against a tree, luckily, and we are trying to get this yellow fungi down in there. So yeah, yeah, that's what we're after. So I don't know, as the spiders want playing ball, I came and did that. I see this here earlier on. I've got to have a little walk further down and see what I can find. It's only light rain, it's not too bad. But I think it's going to blow over because it's going to be showery coming through. But we try not to get the DJI too wet. Well, the camera's not too bad. Flashes aren't waterproof, but the camera and that is. So yeah, right. So we've got that one. So we'll see you on the next one. Well, just got my second fungi just here, and I doubt if you'll see him with this camera. But I will point you down there. That one just about, there he is, just there, the end of my finger. So yeah, there's a job to get the camera in there, but K&F Concepts tripod certainly is earning its keep today. So right. So we'll wander on, see what else we can find. I think we did just have a nice shower of rain, but seems to have gone over. So let's walk on and see what we get. Right, we just found some nice fungi. Up here, you've just seen. So yeah. Right, so I found 2 more fungi, and I'm going to give you a fly in to see if we can see them. There's a big one, and to the side there are these small ones. Yeah, don't know how well you can see those, but that's what I'm going to attempt to get. So I'll be back in a minute. Oh, wow, there. That was quite a stretch to get those 2. Fidgeting round the logs. I didn't show you. No, wasn't a pretty sight. Me huffing and puffing trying to get the alignments right, but we did it. So let's walk on before we have another shower of rain and see what else we can find. Back in a bit. Well, there we go. 3 or 4 fungi. They look alright on the back of the camera. I'm not sure what they're coming like on the big screen, but we'll see. And rain has stopped play, so I scurried back to the pond area. Now I'm sitting under the under cover here. Just going to put everything away. Call it a day. Well, it's been about an hour, I suppose. But, oh, excuse the zips out. But there's rain. Looks like it's going to be like this for the rest of the day, I think. Which usually doesn't stop me playing, but the macro lens and obviously the flash and all that isn't waterproof, so oh, it's supposed to ease off by 3 o'clock, but I want to be home by 3. Rest get caught up with all those school runs. So yeah. So right, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the little short video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.